Chicken with potatoes. Hi everyone, today we're making a dish that's sure to impress your friends and family. Baked chicken with potatoes, and the best part, it's super easy to make. Ingredients: chicken breasts, potatoes cut into wedges, tablespoons olive oil, teaspoon paprika, teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: first, preheat your oven to degrees Fahrenheit. Take potatoes and cut them into wedges. Place them on a baking sheet and toss with tablespoon of olive oil seasoned with salt and pepper. Next, in a small bowl, mix together tablespoon of olive oil, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of garlic powder, and some salt and pepper. Take chicken breasts and place them on top of the potatoes. Brush the chicken with the olive oil mixture. Now here is the fun part: put the baking sheet in the oven and let it do all the work. Bake the chicken and potatoes for minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the potatoes are tender. And thoughts it, you made a delicious and impressive dish that's sure to be a hit with everyone. Just try not to burn down the kitchen while you're at it. Enjoy. Description: in this video, I'll show you how to make a simple and delicious baked chicken with potatoes. It's a perfect meal for any night of the week, and it's sure to impress your friends and family. Baked chicken, potatoes as a dinner, family dinner. Caption: dinner tonight. Baked chicken with potatoes is sure to hit the spot. Chicken potatoes dinner, family dinner.